Now we'll start with your multiplication. Okay. If I'm having something like 16 cross 125, how will you do? Answer for this 16 cross 125. So it becomes 16 cross 1000 divided by 8. This 125 can be written in terms of 1000 by 8. So this becomes 8 2 times. This becomes 2000. Right? Right? Okay. Now I will give you another question. 16 into 12.5. Next is after this you do 16 into 1.25. Then you do 16 into 0.125. What's the answer for this? 16 into 12.5. 16 into 100 by 8. This becomes 16 into 10 by 8. This becomes 16 into 1 by 20. Yes. Answers? Answers for this? Answer for this? Answer for this?
22.
2. Okay. Okay. Nice. Whenever you want to multiply with 11, 11 into 63. What's the answer? 11 into 876. See, whenever you get multiply by 11, it is easiest one. So what you can do, write this 63, 6, 3. Okay. Add these two things. Becomes 9. 693. Okay. Here it becomes. Okay. So now 11 into 876. 8, 6. Add these two. You get 13. So 3 here. Carry 1. Add these two. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Plus 1 becomes 16. Add 1 to this. This becomes 9, 6, 3, 6. Okay. Okay. Take some more. Take some more. 27 into 11. 27 into 11. Next is 213 into 11. Next is 721 into 11. 715 into 11. Okay, 876 into 11. Write 8 and 6 in the far ends. Okay, add these two numbers. It becomes 13. Right? So 3 here, carry 1. Carry 1. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 7 is 15. Add 1 to it. It becomes 16. 6 here. Carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9, 6, 3, 6. What's 27 into 11? 290. 297. What is 213 into 11? 721 into 11? 79? 321. 72 into 11? 715 into 11? 78? Okay, got it. What is the answer for 721 into 11? 79? 31. Next, when you want to multiplication with 99, okay, or like it can be 999, or it can be 9999, or it can keep on going, whatever it is. If I want to multiply something like 999 into 648, 999 into 648, what's the answer? It is multiplication. It will become a 6-digit number. When you multiply 3 digits number, it becomes a 6-digit number. It cannot be 4. 647. Calculator में कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर ले. ठीक है, okay. Okay. See now in this thing, what you can do is a simplified approach. All see this 648. Okay. Always subtract this number from -1. 648 minus 1 is 647. Okay. Keep it as it. Now 999 minus 647 is 999 minus 647, 352. Now add these two. 647, 352. Combine it. You can do whichever is more comfortable to you, you can do. I am just teaching you some tricks which can be used in exam for short trips. Understood? Want to do in some examples? Try this out. 999 into 428. Do it. 999 into 428. Use this method and do it and tell me. Give me a common answer. All are giving me one. 4 to 7? 577. Huh? Okay, next question. 519 into 999. Answer is 427572. No more changes. That's the answer. Okay. 519 into 999. Okay, all here. 519 into 999. Okay. 5 seconds for the next problem. Let's see who is doing it. 9999 into 7372. What?
712628.
28.
I wrote correctly, I'm telling wrongly.
7371. 7371. Got it? So you need not multiply the huge numbers. You can just use this trick to multiply. Next 39 into 17. Hint is split. Split 39. Split 39 and it can be written as 30 plus 9 into 17. So 17 threes are, you know. What 17 threes are? What is 17 nines are? 153. Answer becomes 663. Right? So whenever you get numbers which are not so easy, split the numbers in whatever multiplication factor you know it and try to multiply. Take up example, not okay. 251 into 12. Split it. 251 into 12. Second question. Third question. 49 into 15. Fourth one. 57 into 12. Fifth one. 69 into. Answer for first one. 30. 1 2. Okay, next one.
735.
Next one. 684.
84.
Next one.
828.
Okay. So now how many of you people are thinking that you'll get these kind of questions in your exam? 100% you won't get these kind of questions in your exam. But when you do mathematics, if there is a situation for simplification, you can utilize it there. That's all. Consecutive numbers. 24 into 25. Consecutive numbers. See, whenever you get
600.
consecutive numbers, 600. Whenever you get consecutive numbers, 24, 25, 34, 35, 45, 46, oh, like anything you get it. Just do the square of the first number. Okay, 24 square plus add 24 to add 24. You can do anything. 25 square minus you can do, or this you can do on 600. Okay, now squares 1 to 100 squares. For this, you should be knowing from 1 to 25 square. 1 to 25 square. Okay, so from 1 to 10, I hope all know it. Okay, what is 11 square? 12 square? 13? 14? 15? 16? 17? 18? What? No sound itself after I 17. 19? 361. 20? The sound came back. 21? 441. 22? 484. 23? 529. 24? 25? This is what you should know. From 1 to 25 square, you should be aware. After that, everything you can find out. How to find it out? If I'm giving something like 93 square, how will you do it? Or what's the answer for 93 square? For those who know the trick, whatever I said, okay, no issue. For others, see, whenever you get, so I said you should be aware from 1 to 100 square, and this is 93 square, you don't know it. So how much is it lesser than 100? 7. What is 93 minus 7? What is 7 square?
Sir, repeat that and sir.
How much is 93 lesser than 100? 7. What is 93 minus 7? 86. 7 square is? What is 95 square? How much is it lesser than 100? 5. What's 95 minus 9025? What is 88 square? How much is it lesser than 100? 12. This is 76. 12 square is 144. 774. Got it? Or still doubts? How much is 88 lesser than 100? 12. 88 minus 12 is 76. What is 12 square? 144. You need to take 1 over here. 1 over here. So it becomes 7744. Okay? Clear? Or doubts? 86 square. 86 square. Find out. Okay. Lesser than 100 is 14. This becomes 70. 72. 72. This 14 square is 196. This becomes 7396. Okay. Fine. Okay. So you can do until 75 square now. Let us count. Until 75 square, you can do it now. Now, if you get something like 43 the whole square, We'll see, wait, we'll see. Answer is not that. Okay, all see here. How much is it lesser than 50? 7 lesser than 50. 7 lesser than 50, right? Till how many squares do you know? Okay, for 25 minus 7 is?
3649.
7 square is? 1849. See, the connection is you people know only till 25. I am just taking it with 25. That's all. I'll do, wait. What is 45 the whole square? How much is it lesser than 50? 5. So 25 minus 5 is? 20. Write it. What's 5 square? 25. What is 38 square?
Sir, how you get 25?
Actually, the reason for getting 25 is you people know only till 25 square. Okay, I am taking 25 as the base. So you need to subtract the remaining value from 25. Then you need to do that. Now, from 50, 38 is lesser by 12. So 25 minus 12 becomes 13. So 12 square is 144, 1444. Okay. Online clear, or are you clear or still having doubts? Somebody had asked me. Okay. So now if I'm having, okay, wait here. So now if you're having something like 55 square, how will you do it? How much is it more than 50? This is 5 more than 50. Add 25 plus 5. 3025. Add 25 plus 5. 25 is the base. Keep 25 is the base. Add 5. This is applicable till 70. 100 is there, no? After 70. So you will be aware of all the squares from 1 to 100. Anything which is asked, you can answer it. Makappa.